Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the conditions that make focus possible. First, set a 25 to 50-minute timer and pick one concrete goal. This frames your brain for a single task. Next, remove 3 common distractions: phone on Do Not Disturb, close unrelated tabs, and clear clutter, because small interruptions break momentum. Finally, make immediate physical adjustments: good light, an ergonomic seat, and a marker or finger to guide your eyes, so your attention locks onto the lines as you read. Once you're reading, switch to active techniques to keep your attention engaged. Annotate, underline, or write 1 to 3 quick questions per paragraph. This forces processing rather than passive eye movement. When material gets dense, practice brief paced breathing to calm cognitive overload and sustain clarity. If you notice your thoughts drifting, stop for 10 to 20 seconds, then re-anchor with a tiny micro goal. Read the next paragraph and summarize it in 1 sentence. These steps maintain steady progress through tougher sections. To finish, consolidate what you've read. Write a 2 to 3 sentence summary and identify 1 clear next action so your learning sticks. If you feel fatigue or blurriness, stand up, hydrate, and take a 5 to 15-minute active break. Movement restores concentration. If comprehension stalls despite effort, troubleshoot by changing method. Switch to skimming for structure, deep read with annotation, or listen to an audio version, because different formats can re-engage attention and reveal the material in a new way.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.